Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Figma interview questions. Figma has become the industry standard for collaborative design, making it essential knowledge for any design professional. Today, I will walk you through the most important concepts you need to master for your next design interview. From design systems to prototyping, collaboration features to component management, these topics will give you the confidence to excel in any Figma-related discussion. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide covers everything interviewers expect you to know about modern design workflows. Figma is a cloud-based design and prototyping platform that has revolutionized how teams create user interfaces. Unlike traditional desktop software, Figma runs entirely in your web browser, making it accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Its core strength lies in real-time collaboration, allowing multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously. The platform provides vector-based design tools for creating precise graphics, interactive prototyping capabilities for testing user flows, and comprehensive design system management. These features make Figma the go-to choice for modern design teams who need to work together efficiently and maintain consistency across their products. Figma's power comes from four fundamental components that work together seamlessly. First, the design tools provide everything you need for visual creation, including vector editing capabilities, shape tools, text formatting, and advanced styling options. Second, the prototyping features allow you to create interactive experiences by linking frames and adding animations, helping you test user journeys before development. Third, collaboration tools enable real-time teamwork with features like live cursors, comments, and instant synchronization across all team members. Finally, the component system lets you create reusable design elements that maintain consistency and speed up your workflow. Understanding these four pillars is crucial for any Figma interview. Design systems in Figma are centralized collections of reusable components, styles, and guidelines that ensure consistency across all your designs. Think of them as the single source of truth for your brand's visual language. A well-structured design system includes a centralized component library where all UI elements live, consistent design tokens that define colors, spacing, and typography, shared color palettes that maintain brand consistency, typography standards that ensure readable and cohesive text, reusable UI patterns for common interface elements, and brand guideline enforcement that keeps everyone on the same page. Design systems save time, reduce errors, and make it easy for teams to scale their design efforts while maintaining quality and consistency. Understanding the difference between components and instances is fundamental to working efficiently in Figma. Components are the master reusable elements that serve as templates for your design system. When you create a component, you define its default properties, appearance, and behavior. These components can be published to team libraries and shared across multiple projects. Instances, on the other hand, are copies of these master components that you use throughout your designs. The beautiful thing about instances is that they maintain a connection to their master component while allowing you to override specific properties like text, colors, or images. When you update a master component, all its instances automatically inherit those changes, ensuring consistency across your entire design system. Creating prototypes in Figma follows a straightforward three-step workflow that transforms static designs into interactive experiences. First, you design your individual screens or frames, ensuring each represents a different state or page in your user journey. Next, you connect these frames using Figma's prototyping tools, creating interactive links that define how users navigate between screens. You can add various interactions like clicks, hovers, and gestures, along with transition animations that make the experience feel natural. Finally, you preview and share your interactive prototype, allowing stakeholders and users to test the flow before any code is written. This workflow helps identify usability issues early and ensures everyone understands the intended user experience. Figma's collaboration features set it apart from traditional design tools by enabling seamless teamwork. Comments allow team members to provide contextual feedback directly on specific design elements, making review cycles more efficient and clear. Live cursors show you exactly where your teammates are working in real time, preventing conflicts and enabling true simultaneous collaboration. Version history automatically tracks all changes, letting you see who made what modifications and easily restore previous versions if needed. Sharing links make it simple to get feedback from stakeholders who do not have Figma accounts. Team libraries ensure everyone has access to the same components and styles. AutoSync keeps all team members updated with the latest changes instantly, eliminating the confusion of outdated files. Auto Layout is one of Figma's most powerful features for creating responsive components that adapt to content changes. When interviewers ask about responsive design, they want to understand how you make components that work across different screen sizes and content lengths. Auto layout properties include direction, which determines whether elements stack horizontally or vertically, spacing that controls the gaps between child elements, padding that adds internal space around the content, and alignment that positions elements within their container. The key behaviors include hug contents, which sizes the container to fit its content, and fill container, which makes elements expand to fill available space. Mastering auto layout shows that you understand modern responsive design principles. Professional design workflows in Figma typically follow two main processes. The design process starts with research and wireframing to understand user needs and create low-fidelity layouts. Next, you create or reference your design system to ensure consistency from the beginning. Then you build high-fidelity designs that represent the final visual appearance. Finally, you create interactive prototypes to test and validate user flows. The developer handoff process focuses on preparation and communication. You organize layers with clear, logical naming conventions that developers can easily understand. You add detailed specifications including measurements, colors, and interaction details. You export all necessary assets and icons in the appropriate formats and sizes. Finally, you share design tokens and style guides that help developers implement the designs accurately. Success in Figma interviews depends on demonstrating 4 key factors. First, show your design thinking by explaining your user-centered design approach and how you make decisions based on user needs rather than personal preferences. Second, highlight your collaboration skills by sharing examples of how you have worked effectively with cross-functional teams, handled feedback, and resolved design conflicts. Third, demonstrate technical proficiency by showing mastery of components, prototyping features, and efficient workflows that save time and maintain quality. Fourth, showcase your problem-solving abilities by explaining the reasoning behind your design decisions and discussing trade-offs you have made. Remember to practice with real projects, stay updated with new Figma features, and prepare specific examples that demonstrate these skills in action.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.